Good morning. It's 5 minutes past 7, Monday morning, the 22nd of July already. Oh, here we go. Nearly dropped this. Go. And my work is going to start big time from now. But of course, I have some issues, a thing, and some problems. And this is what they are. Hi. Home sweet home. Man, I'm going back to Gran Canaria. What the hell? So one of my issues is space. Where do I put it all? Well, most of it will go on my bed. Yeah, that's the only free space I have where I will not walk. So yeah, I just took the covers off. And I can put most of it on my bed just to get it out of my way. And then there is this thing. The washing machine is going out. I'm going to throw it away. I mean, it's too big, too bulky, and it takes up too much space. And I don't even know if it works. So I bought it reasonably cheap. So yeah. It's going to go. Well, it did get a bit easier than I thought, but I did get a bit hurt. It slipped. Ow. Oh well. Bugger. Alright. I'm gonna take the forward peak. I'm gonna take all the wood out and throw it away because it's a bit moldy and yeah, I don't like it. And for my bed I have a different plan, so this can go. So yeah, here we go. Yikes. One down. A lot more to go. Right. So I've put some shit and crap from my aft deck into my van. Need to clean it up a bit, hose it down. That's stuff to give away. Well, I have given it away, but I need to bring it away, take it away. Some stuff here. This is cart number 3 already. Here's some more stuff I don't need and what I'm demolishing from inside. So let me show you the inside. Well, it's a big old mess in here. Oh my god. Bought some new tools. These 3. This is my couch at the moment. Yikes. I took down one of these lights. The other one is going down as well. That one. And then I'm nearly done up here for now. And as soon as I can leave with my fan, because let me show you, I hope you can see it, but you see that blue van over there with the words D-I-K-S, Dicks. There's a boat just behind me, and I can't leave now. So that's a bit of a bummer, but okay, I'll make the best of it. I'll make it work. Hey, God. I mean, some people like them, so I don't. Yuck. No, this is not my taste, so be gone. Okay, so today it's Tuesday the 23rd already of July. Yesterday I took a lot of crap to the city dump. Bought some tools, additional tools that I need. Some building equipment like screws, glue, and wood. And I also got a new countertop, and it's outside over there. Let me show you. It's mint. That is exactly what I want, and it's a bit different. Let me show you. Bamboo. I'm not going to show you all of it just yet. I mean, this is the underside of the countertop, and the other side is a bit different, and it's untreated, so it will look a bit different, but it's amazing. It's gorgeous. Loving it. And here is some more building materials to build a subframe where my countertop can rest on. I mean, look at this. I thought this would be really expensive. Well, it's not cheap, but it costed me 300 euros. It's 3 meters long and 70 centimeters wide and 4 centimeters thick, and it weighs an absolute ton. I can't carry this on my own. I need help with that. So a guy living here in the marina as well, same as me. His name is almost the same as mine. My name you pronounce as Stefan. His name is Stefan. Small difference. He's a really nice guy, and he helped me out with this. We brought it to my boat this morning because it's way too heavy for me to handle on my own. So to get it in my galley, that's gonna be awesome. So my boat is still an absolute mess. It's an absolute horror. Yesterday I overdid it with the washing machine and getting all the other materials, so my foot is hurting really bad today. So I'm taking it easy today, do a bit of editing. I think I'm gonna upload this video tonight when I finish editing, just to keep you in the loop. Yeah, tomorrow I will start with my galley. I need to lift it from the back a bit up and then take the measurements, and I have to think about what I really want and how it's gonna be, because I planned to get a countertop that was 90 centimeters and this is 70, so that's 20 centimeters shorter. Size does matter. Ooh, bad one. But I am 20 centimeters short on the back. I will show you why it's short in a later video. I have thought about something to counter that, so it will be fine, of course. But yeah, I need to think about some details, and I can do that today. I mean, I did the dishes today, and that's about it. Shot some video, and I'm gonna take it easy today. I mean, my foot is killing me. Yeah, it's a lesson learned. I'm not healed yet. It doesn't feel like it anyway. So I need to take a rest today, and I will dive in tomorrow. So guys, a short video from this time. I promise next Saturday, upcoming Saturday, there will be a longer video, and it will feature my galley and maybe even my bed. That all depends on how my foot holds up. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Subscribe to my video, tell your friends about it, please share it. I'm up to 174 subscribers, so thank you very much. That's awesome. It's grow. My subscriber count is growing steadily, so I have all the time in the world, so who knows where it goes. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.